His name is John C.
Grandma bought my son one of those fancy foam dart guns for Christmas. I guess that means I'm in for some spontaneous crotch shots for the foreseeable future. I'm home!
Daddy!
Thanks a lot, Grandma. Hey, let's have some fun with the Camaro. Rubber in the middle of the road, but I guess that's what you get with the stock limited slip differential. Oh, I'm gonna kill that kid. Thanks for watching.
Mr. Daninator.
Yeah, Dr. Heckenslash. So how did it go?
Well, yes, I am pleased to inform you that the surgery was a success. We were able to extract the stock muffler and replace it with the cherry bomb glass pack without any complications.
Oh, I'm so glad to hear that. That's such a relief. So how's he doing? Is he doing okay then?
Well, yes, he's doing quite well. In fact, he sounds really good. That glass pack has really accentuated that V8 sound, the sound that all vehicles aspire to have.
Oh, good to hear.
And yes, well, I am especially proud to tell you that I was able to remove the stock muffler as one full intact specimen. In fact, we would like to give it to you as a souvenir.
Yeah,
I would like to offer my apologies as we did not have a specimen jar large enough. Oh, good heavens. Fruity pebbles. You know, a man your age should consider consuming more fiber.
well, we've been together for about 11 years now, and, you know, I mean, it's been a good relationship. I mean, we've had our ups and downs, sure, but I love her. She's actually really hot. No, really, the AC went out of my truck. It's really hot.
I threw a cherry bomb on the Silverado. I'll show you how I did it.
Dad?
Yeah.
What's Mom gonna say?
I don't know. I ain't scared.
Smoke on the Impala. There goes the coolant that's filled out on the exhaust manifold. If you ain't bleeding, you ain't working. Roses are red, violets are blue. Mustangs are for losers. You know, Mustangs sold 56,000 more units in 1997 than the Camaro, right? Man, what? Alright, it's time to change the brakes on my 1999 Chevrolet Silverado. These babies are squeaking worse than my great-grandma walking up a flight of stairs. What do you get when you drive an 18-year-old vehicle with over 235,000 miles? An empty wallet and heartache. Brakes work. Man, I can't believe we came back and won like that. Yeah, I know, man, right? Oh, hey, mind if I catch a ride with you? Oh, yeah, sure, no problem. Oh, are you up to date on all your tetanus shots? What? Yeah, no, you know, tetanus shots. Are you up to date? Yeah, man, I think so, sure, but why? Well, my truck. Oh, and one more, just a little tiny thing. You'll have to sign a waiver. What?
Hello, Mr. Yukon. My name is Dr. Hackenslash, and I'm going over your test results here on your chart, and I've noticed that indeed your transfer case has quit functioning. A little bit of bad news for you. We're going to go ahead and remove your front drive shaft. Now, there's nothing to be afraid of here. This is a rather simple procedure, as it happens to a lot of four-wheel drives. You will notice that after the procedure is completed that you will lose the drive for four-wheeling, and your engine will sound a few octaves higher. But if we look on the bright side of things, we can see that you will still have full function and use of your rear wheels, and your engine will go back to sounding normal just after a few miles. That's how you remove the front drive shaft on a 4x4 GMC Yukon. Just remember, if first you don't succeed, you're not Chuck Norris. Thanks for watching. God bless.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi, honey.
Hi. My brakes went out on my truck, and I'm gonna need you to come pick me up.
You okay? Where are you?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm at the store.
Okay, so where's the truck?
Between the frozen foods and the canned meat. I had a dream last night that I was a muffler. I woke up exhausted. Whoa! What in the world? Whoa! Whoa! Holy smokes, what in the blue blazes? Jeez! Whoa! Jeez! What in the world's going on? Hello?
Hi, honey.
Hey!
Hey, you need to be careful driving home because I just heard on the radio that there's some crazy person driving in the wrong direction on the same road that you're on.
What? Just one? There's dozens of them. So, anyway, just remember, life's short. Smile while you still got teeth. Thanks for watching. God bless. Oh, remember. What was I going to say?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Cylinder number 5.
That's not funny. I'll be coming soon. So again, thanks for watching. God bless. I don't know what I'm going to say.
One man, one colossal problem, 3 weeks in the making. Brace yourself for a white-knuckle action-packed thrill-ride adventure. Arnold Schwarzenegger stars in Constipation. Available in theaters as soon as the movie comes out. It may never come out.
Well, hang on to your britches, because you're about to find out. Let's get started. Dr. Hackenslash.
Yes, well, Mr. Daninator, I wish it were under better circumstances that we were seeing each other again, but we do have some bad news for you concerning your Yukon.
Well, what is it, Doc? Just give it to me straight.
Yes, well, we have determined that there has been a complete and catastrophic failure of the transfer case unit, rendering the Yukon's four-wheel drive system completely inoperable.
Oh no, what can we do about that?
Yes, well, there is a bit of silver lining to this dark cloud, so to speak, as we simply can do a transfer case transplant.
Oh, well, that doesn't sound too bad. I mean, he's got a lot of miles on him, but, you know, we really don't drive it very much anymore, and yeah, I think it'd be worth it.
Yes, well, there is more. More? Yes, we took the liberty of giving the Yukon a full service inspection and found a few more issues of concern. Well, okay, it can't be that bad. Yes, well, we were able to determine that the vehicle could also use tie rods, ball joints, pitman arm, wheel bearings, new tires all the way around, front end alignment, radiator work, AC repair. The rear AC is also non-functioning. There is a gas leak. The engine does burn oil. The rear doors leak water. The vehicle needs a new battery. Could use some spark plugs and wires. Could use head gaskets. The rear drum brakes are worn out and need replaced. And also the rear cargo door is inoperable. Plus, you're basically paying for it to just sit in your driveway by paying for plates and insurance. It's essentially like paying for a jobless 25-year-old adult child to live in your basement playing video games and eating Cheetos all day.
Yukon, you gone.
I just found out that my friend is addicted to brake fluid. It's okay though, because you can stop anytime.
This is my stepladder. I never knew my real ladder. Yeah, man, it's pretty cool. Happy for you. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. See you. Bye. Well, my nephew just passed his driver's test. Got an 8 out of 10. The other two jumped out of his way. Golly, I think I'm high on exhaust fumes. Truck's running nice and smooth. It's purring like a kitten, and it's quiet, finally. Unlike my child. There's a strange new trend going on at the office. People are starting to put names on the food in the break room refrigerator. Today I had a tuna fish sandwich named Kevin. Get to work. Don't you have something to do? You need to go get a job. Get a haircut. A friend of mine was in a weird single vehicle crash the other day. Didn't take him long to find out the cause of the crash. Loose nut behind the wheel. 476.10 for that heat. Goodbye, old friend.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow man. Subscribe to the Detonator. Pardon me, subscribe to the Daninator. You see what I did there? Subscribe to the Daninator channel. Or not. The choice is yours. Hey brother. You know that thumbs up icon looks remarkably like someone pushing a detonator. Speak of the devil and he shall... Yeah, forget it.
Sorry. Yeah, forget it. That was great.